Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch GT2e. First, make sure your watch has sufficient power, ideally fully charged, to avoid interruptions during the setup process. Next, download the official Huawei Health application from your phone's App Store. This app is essential for managing your watch. Finally, confirm that Bluetooth is activated on your smartphone, as this is the primary connection method. Once the app is installed and Bluetooth is on, open the Huawei Health app. Look for the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Add Device, and then choose your specific watch model, the Huawei Watch GT2e, from the available options. A pairing request will appear on both your watch and phone. Simply confirm it on both devices to establish the connection. For your watch to function optimally, it's crucial to grant all requested permissions to the Huawei Health app. This allows for features like notifications and activity tracking. To ensure continuous data synchronization, keep the Huawei Health app running in the background on your phone. Also, maintain a close proximity, ideally within 10 meters or 33 feet, between your phone and watch for a stable and reliable connection. If you encounter any connection difficulties, a simple restart of both your smartphone and your Huawei Watch GT2e can often resolve the issue. Always ensure you have the latest version of the Huawei Health app and that your watch's firmware is up to date, as updates often include bug fixes. If all else fails, try unpairing the watch from the app and then repeating the pairing process from scratch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.